What if I told you that the simple light bulb above your head could be quietly draining your money every single month, or saving you hundreds of dollars without you even noticing? Most people turn on lights without ever thinking about how they work, how much electricity they consume, or why some bulbs last years while others burn out in weeks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how light bulbs work. The difference between incandescent, CFL, halogen, and LED bulbs. Which bulb costs you the most over time? And simple energy-saving tips that can cut your lighting bill dramatically. Stay till the end, because I'll share one mistake almost everyone makes when buying LED bulbs. Let's switch on the knowledge. At its core, a light bulb is a device that converts electrical energy into light energy. But here's the important part. Not all bulbs convert electricity the same way. Some waste most of the electricity as heat, while others turn almost all of it into visible light. That single difference determines your electricity bill. How hot the bulb gets, how long it lasts, and how often you replace it. Do you think most of the electricity in old bulbs becomes light or heat? Comment light or heat below before we continue. How electricity becomes light. Electricity is simply the flow of electrons through a conductor. When electricity passes through a bulb, the bulb resists the flow of electricity. That resistance creates energy. That energy is released as light, heat, or both. The method used to release that energy is what separates different bulb types. Let's break them down one by one. Types of light bulbs explained. 1. Incandescent bulbs, old-style bulbs. These are the classic bulbs many of us grew up with. How they work. Electricity passes through a thin tungsten filament. The filament gets extremely hot. It glows and produces light. The problem? About 90% of the electricity becomes heat. Only 10% becomes light. Power consumption. Typical bulb, 60 to 100 watts. Lifespan, 1,000 hours. Why they're expensive long-term. They are cheap to buy, but very expensive to operate. Many countries have banned or phased them out because of inefficiency. 2. Halogen bulbs. Halogen bulbs are an improved version of incandescent bulbs. How they work. Same filament concept. Uses halogen gas to recycle heat. Slightly brighter. Still produces a lot of heat. Power consumption, 35 to 70 watts. Lifespan, 2,000 hours. Have you ever touched a halogen bulb after it's been on? Yeah. That heat is your electricity bill in disguise. 3. Compact fluorescent lamps, CFLs. These were once marketed as energy-saving bulbs. How they work. Electricity excites mercury vapor. Produces ultraviolet light. UV hits phosphor coating, visible light. Uses 70% less power than incandescent. Contains mercury, environmental hazard. Takes time to warm up. Power consumption, 13 to 23 watts. Replaces 60 to 100 watts incandescent. Lifespan, 8,000 hours. Did you know CFL bulbs should never be thrown in regular trash? 4. LED bulbs, modern standard. This is where the real magic happens. How LEDs work. Electricity passes through a semiconductor. Electrons release energy as light directly. Almost no heat loss. Most efficient. Longest lifespan. Cool to touch. Best for the environment. Power consumption, 7 to 12 watts. Replaces 60W bulb. Lifespan, 25,000 to 50,000 hours. LEDs use up to 85 to 90% less electricity than incandescent bulbs. If you're using LED bulbs right now, type LED in the comments. Power consumption comparison. Let's compare bulbs producing the same brightness, around 800 lumens. Bulb type power used heat loss. Lifespan, incandescent 60 bulb hour, very high, 1000 HRs. Halogen, 43 bari, high, 2000 HRs. CFL, 13 to 15 W. Medium, 8,000 HHRs, LED 8 to 10W. Very low, 25,000 plus HRs, brightness, lumens, matters more than watts. Real cost example. Let's say you run one bulb for 5 hours a day. Over 1 year, incandescent, 60 hours. High electricity cost plus replacements. LED, 10W, up to 6x cheaper. Now multiply that by 10 bulbs, 20 bulbs, or an entire office or retail store. That's thousands of dollars saved over time. Would you rather pay more upfront or save money every month? Energy-saving tips you should start today. 1. Switch to LED bulbs only. 2. Look at lumens, not watts. 3. Use warm light for homes, cool light for offices. 4. Turn lights off when not in use. 5. Use motion sensors in hallways and restrooms. 6. Avoid cheap, unbranded LEDs. They fail early. 7. Choose Energy Star rated bulbs. Buying the cheapest LED without checking. Lumens. Color temperature. Warranty. So now I want to hear from you. Which type of bulb are you using most right now? Incandescent, CFL, or LED? Did this video change how you'll buy light bulbs in the future? Drop your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still uses old bulbs. Remember, smart lighting isn't just brighter, it's cheaper, safer, and smarter.